How old are you?
Here's an overview of age, and its age is of time that a person has, typically measured in years from the date of their birth. It's a fundamental aspect of human identity and has various cultural and biological implications. Here are some key points about age. 1. Categories of age. Infancy, 0–2 years. Early developmental stage marked by rapid physical and cognitive growth. Childhood, 3–12. Period of learning, socialization, and physical development. Adolescence, 13–19 years. Transition to adulthood, involving emotional, physical, and social changes. Adulthood, 20–64 years. Prime years for personal, professional, and social achievements. Older adulthood, 65+ years. Often associated with retirement, wisdom, and changes in health and lifestyle. 2. Biological. Age affects health, cognitive abilities, and emotional well-being.